In today's video, I'm going to teach you Temu Wishlist not showing up, how to fix it fast. If your wishlist seems to have vanished, don't worry, this is a common quirk. On Temu, the wishlist icon can disappear from the main navigation when it's empty, which makes it look like the feature is gone. I'll walk you through bringing it back in just a couple of minutes. First, let's try to locate the hidden wishlist. On the website, head to the top right corner and click Orders and Account. On mobile, tap your account or profile area to open the same menu. In the dropdown or on the account page that opens, look for a tab or section labeled Wishlist. If you see it, tap it to open and you're back in business. If it's not there at all, that usually means your wishlist is currently empty and being hidden by the interface. That's okay. We'll trigger it to reappear. To do that, open any product page on Temu. It doesn't matter what item you choose, we're just using it to reactivate the wishlist feature. Scroll down past the reviews until you reach the product details section. Here, look for a small save button next to a heart icon and click or tap it. On some layouts, you may also see a heart icon near the product title or images. Tapping that does the same thing. The key is to save at least one item to your wish list. Once you've saved the item, go back to your account area. The wish list option should now show up again under Orders and Account. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh or close and reopen the account menu, and it should pop into view. When you open your wish list, you'll see the item you just saved, and from here you can add, remove, or organize as usual. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you often browse while signed out, make sure you're logged in before saving so the wish list attaches to your account. Also, if you previously had items in your wishlist, they should reappear once the tab is visible again. If your wishlist was empty, you'll at least have the item you just saved to get started. That's it. Locate the hidden wishlist through your account, and if it's missing, save a product to bring it back. Simple and effective. If this helped, feel free to keep exploring and curating your wishlist, and you'll never lose track of great finds again.